Om Shri Sai Ram. Dear children, last class we have discussed about alkanes and alkenes. Let us continue with alkynes. General formula and structures of alkynes. We are going to discuss about alicyclic hydrocarbons, aromatic hydrocarbons, and uses of hydrocarbons. Let us look at into alkynes. What are alkynes? Very important. Alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons having triple covalent bond between two carbon atoms. Between two carbon atoms, they have triple covalent bond. Between two carbon atoms, they have triple covalent bond. If they have triple covalent bond, such compounds are called alkynes. Once again I am repeating, alkynes are unsaturated hydrocarbons having triple covalent bond between two carbon atoms are called alkynes. Next, their primary suffix ends with "ine", alkyne, butyne, pentine, hexyne, always ends with "ine". The general formula for alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. This is the general formula. This is primary suffix ends with "ine" and general formula CnH2n minus 2. Please note down this. Next, let us look at into structures. Let us draw the structures of butyne and octane. Can anybody try to draw these structures? Yes, let us draw now. Butyne, this is the structure of butyne. Let us draw one more structure, octyne. This is the structure of octyne. This is the structure of octyne. Please note down. This is butyne, octyne. Next, let us look at some of the examples. That is ethyne, propyne. This is the structure of ethyne, propyne, butyne. Some of the examples: propyne, butyne, pentine, hexyne. This is the open structure. These are the condensed structures. And let us compare alkane, alkene and alkynes. This is a general table. Alkanes, first point, between two carbon atoms they contain single covalent bond, good. Alkenes, between any two carbon atoms they have at least double covalent bond. Alkynes contains at least one of the carbon to carbon have triple covalent bond. This is the first First difference between alkane, alkene and alkyne. Let us look at general formula. Alkanes CnH2n plus 2, alkenes CnH2n, alkynes CnH2n minus 2. Always suffix that is ends with ane, ane, alkane, alkene, alkyne. And we have already looked into some of the examples. This is a comparison between alkane, alkene and alkyne. Let us look at it one more interesting topic, that is alicyclic hydrocarbons. What are alicyclic hydrocarbons? Very important. Compounds in which carbon atoms are joined by covalent bonds to form ring structure. Very important. Here they form ring structures. This point is very important. They are also compounds in which carbon atoms are joined by covalent bonds to form a ring structures are called alicyclic hydrocarbons. This is the example of cyclopropane. This is the example of cyclobutane. We will draw the structures. This is the example of cyclopentane. Let us look at into cycloalkanes. Compounds, what is cycloalkanes? Same as alkanes, but here they form in a ring shape. Compounds in which carbon atoms are joined by single covalent bond to form ring structures are called cycloalkane. Similarly to the alkanes, but cycloalkanes are nothing but they form ring structures. Next, they are also called as cycloparaffins. They are also called as cycloparaffins. These are the examples, that is cyclohexane. This is the example of cycloalkanes. Next, these are some of the examples, that cycloethane, cyclobutane, cyclopropane are the examples of cycloalkanes. Let us draw the structures. Cyclopropane. Cyclopropane. This is the structure of cyclopropane. This is the structure of cyclopentane. Please note down the structures. We can write like this also. These are the structure of, there are examples for cycloalkanes. Please note down the structures. Let us draw cyclobutane and cyclohexane. Can anybody try to draw these structures? Cyclobutane. This is the structure of cyclobutane. Let us draw the structure of cyclohexane. This is the structure of cyclohexane. hexane. Please note down these structures, they are very important for your exam purpose. Next, let us look at into aromatic hydrocarbons. What are aromatic hydrocarbons? Aroma means fragrance. Aromatic hydrocarbons are arynes or hydrocarbons that have at least one aromatic ring or benzene ring. Aromatic hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons that have at least one aromatic ring, that is benzene ring. Aroma means fragrance, they have a pleasant fragrance. Most of aromatic hydrocarbons have fragrance. Aromatic hydrocarbons are derivatives of a series of hydrocarbons whose simplest member is benzene. Benzene is the simplest member of aromatic hydrocarbons. The general formula is CnH2n minus 6y, where y is number of rings. Please note down this is very important. Please note down, general formula is CnH2n minus 6y, where y is number of rings. Let us draw the structures of benzene, naphthalene and toluene. Benzene structure. First I will write down benzene structure. This is the benzene structure, or we can write like this. Or we can write like this, or we can even write like this. This is the structure of benzene. Please note down, very important for your exam purpose. They may ask, draw the structure of benzene. You have to write like this. This is very important. This you can write in PUC level. This is for your PUC level. PUC level for simplified structures, they write like this. Let us draw the structure of naphthalene. This is the structure of naphthalene. Let us look at into, this is the structure of naphthalene. Let us draw the structure of toluene or toluene. Wait. I'll draw almost. I'll draw here structure toluene. This is the structure of toluene. Please note down. Next, let us look at into uses of hydrocarbons. Let us look at into methane, uses of methane. It is used as domestic fuel, in preparation of chloroform, in manufacture of carbon black for printing inks, polishes, rubber tires. These are uses of methane. Uses of ethene in polythene manufacture, in artificial ripening of fruits, in general anesthetics. Here ethene is used. Next, let us look at the uses of benzene, solvent for oils, fat, resins, rubber, in manufacture of dyes, drugs, perfumes, explosives, etc. In manufacture of pesticides and insecticides, for dry cleaning. These are the uses of benzene. Next, let us look at into uses of toluene, used as solvent for oils, fat, paints, resins. In manufacture of TNT, very explosive. In manufacture of saccharin, that is sweetening agent, artificial sweetening agent. Saccharin is the artificial sweetening agent. Some of the pictures. Let us look at into assignments. I hope you understood this class very well. Let us look at into some of the assignments. Please note down the assignments and write your assignments and send to your respective teachers. Write the structures of the following hydrocarbons: butyne, hexane, cyclopropane, benzene and cyclopentane. You have to draw these structures. Write the differences between aromatic and alicyclic compounds. Aromatic, you have to draw chart and you have to write the differences. Mention the uses of benzene and ethene, and also one more assignment. Please draw or compare between alkane, alkene and alkynes. I hope you all understood this chapter very well. Let us meet you in next class and next topic. So I hope I'll conclude by saying Jai Sai Ram.